Welcome to my ePortfolio. My name is Dr. Nance, and I'd like to give you an overview of how to navigate my portfolio. First, the purpose of creating this portfolio is to share how I structure my online courses and address each of the standards for @1 while also addressing the Online Education Initiative's rubric and application for teaching OEI courses statewide in the California Community College system. I will be sharing this ePortfolio with prospective faculty for teaching geography online within the California Community College system as well as nationally at an American Association of Geographers conference spring 2016, where I will also be mentoring faculty and graduate students on applying for positions to teach. The way I have laid out this course then is to use each of the 5 headings for the OEI, lettered A through E, as it is coordinated with our rubric. And under each of these headings then are 1 to 3 standards that are relevant to that rubric heading. I've described under each of those headings then how I address that rubric. And here's an additional video for how to navigate my course in Blackboard. So for instance, under Standard 2, I describe how I meet that standard, providing some screen captures. In some of my standards, I've provided downloadable documents. And then there are also links that take you to this sidebar here for artifacts. These artifacts are set up based upon redundancy in that they address several of the standards, and I'm able to provide more detail about each of these artifacts because they're important as a separate subheading at the bottom of the sections area of my ePortfolio. So for instance, if you right-click on the hyperlink for assignment schedule and open new tab, you will be taken to the assignment schedule and the syllabus and schedule and policies, where you can download the syllabus document in one location, download and open up the assignment schedule, and compare it to the grading system, which is color coordinated between both. Other documents that are available are descriptions of major artifacts that are described in several of the standards, are the troubleshooting forum, course learning outcomes, Mastering Geographer publishing materials, discussion topics, and blog activities, and their hyperlinks are usually named these names, not including the artifact 1 through 6. So again, returning to learner support, for instance, I describe what that means to me addressing the OEI rubric, and you can right-click on policies to be taken to the artifact in which policies are described in more detail. Thank you for visiting my ePortfolio.